G'day guys, it's Ben from Snowy's here, and today we're having a quick chat about RFID safety. Now, RFID safety is a big issue overseas at the moment. People are getting their card details stolen using skimmers and that sort of thing. So I'll just give you a quick example here of how easy it really is. I've just used one of the FPOS machines here. You can see here it's just 5 cents, nothing too major. I've snuck up behind young Neville here, done the Wiser. You can see here it's processing, he's picked up the card in his back pocket, it's been approved, he's just been charged for 5 cents. Now, one of the great things these days is there's technology that can combat this, and what we've got is called RFID protecting or RFID stopping stuff. So give me a tick, I'll pop the card into one of these wallets and we'll give it a quick whirl. Right, so I'm sitting Evan his way, we have here an RFID blocking wallet. Now you can use either these wallets or you can just get a sleeve for your card as well. We'll seal that up, you can see here, got the 5 cents going again. Now we run the wallet over the top. Nothing's going on. I can hold it there for a long time. Here, there, even on the sides. Nothing's happening, not going through. So if you want a bit of extra safety, whether abroad or home here in Australia, grab yourselves an RFID blocking wallet or sleeve to put around your cards. Just gives it an extra bit of safety. You're not going to get skimmed and your card details will stay nice and safe with you. So that's it. All this stuff's available on our website, snowys.com.au, with fast free delivery in most of Australia. And until next time, happy travels. Thank you.